Hello, welcome to mytutorialsonline.com. Today we will see about Apache Ant, which is the build tool. As we discussed already, Ant is a tool which is used for building your programs, right? Regularly, programmers compile code and they package their binaries, deploy their binaries to the test servers, and whenever they make changes to their code, they will test it again and again, and they will copy the source code from one location to another locations, etc. See, all these are the regular tasks performed by us. Okay, so why we need to waste our time doing all these manually? So to automate these things, we have one beautiful tool called Apache Ant. Apache Ant is provided from Apache, and the build files of Ant are XML formatted. So they are the XML files. We give any task. Of course, we can call the actions performed by Ant as Ant tasks. Ant tasks are created in XML sheets, right? So you can say Ant is a complete Java build tool, and it is used for deployment also, and it is a good tool automating the complicated repetitive tasks. We can use Ant for automating whatever the tasks we discussed earlier and that are repetitive in nature, right? And it provides an interface to develop the custom tasks also, and we already have many predefined tasks in Ant. And if we see at how to download and configure Ant, uh, we need to see how to download and how to install Ant in our system. So first of all, go to google.com and just search for download Ant, and you will get, see, the first link and is provided by the Apache, right? So go to the Apache and binary distributions, and there you will find the binary distributions as zip files, and just click on the zip or tar based on your operating system. As this is Windows, I'm going to download the uh, archived, right, this one .zip version, and just click on this is the latest version of the Ant. uh, right now this is the Ant 1.9.2. Click on this and save this file to your computer, and I have already saved this in my computer, but I think that is the older version. If I go to see, I have see, this is the Apache and 1.8.4. So you will get the latest version of the Ant in the zipped format, and unzip that file to any of folder you wish. So this is the unzipped folder. This I unzipped this to C Apache and 1.8.4-bin, and open that folder. You will find different folders. See, open this folder again, binary files, libraries, manual, etc. Okay, so how to know whether you install the Ant properly in your system or not means, just go to your command prompt and type and hit enter. See, it is saying Ant is not recognized as an internal or external command, because we need to provide the path for Ant. So till now my system don't know what Ant is. For that I need to provide some environment variables. Go to your my computer and properties. After navigating to the properties, you will get the system properties, and remember this varies based on your operating system. or whatever operating system you are using, just search in your system for setting environment variables or just environment variables in any of the Windows operating system. Go to the start menu and search for environment variable if you are using Windows Server or Windows 7 or 8 something, right? Go to advanced tab and you will find the environment variables button here. If you click on that, you will find the user variables and system variables. If you see at the system variables, you will see a new button. So create a new system variable called and home and underscore home and provide the path up to the folder where you will have all these libraries, binary, bin, manual, etc. Right. So provide the path up to the folder you will find all these files and just click on OK button, which will create a new environment variable in your system called and underscore home. And after that you will find another system variable path. So edit the path. Remember, you need to edit, you don't remove anything in your path because this may affect your existing path. So go to the end. See, in the variable value field, just go to the end and paste the same path and provide slash bin. Okay, so you need to provide and home value up to this value, and I am providing the path as the and home slash bin, right? And you paste it, type slash bin and click on OK. So till now we have created one new and home system variable and we have modified the path variable, and click OK button and OK button to apply the changes, and it will create a new environment variable in your system. And now open your command prompt, and I am exiting from this. I will go to the command prompt again and type and hit enter. See, okay, so something is done, right? Your configuration is done, but it is saying unable to locate tools.jar, expected to find in C program file Java. In the Java runtime environment variables, we have library folder. In that, and we'll look for a file tools.jar. That means, see here, go to the my computer, and of course that path might be different based on your system, right? In my system, my Java runtime environment is in C program files Java and JRE. In JRE we have lib folder. See, if we see this, yes, this is the lib folder. So it is expecting a jar file called tools.jar file in this folder, but this path doesn't contain the tools.jar file. So you can get that file from the JDK also. Okay, so go to your JDK folder and go to your library folder, and in that you will find one file called tools.jar. See, this is the executable jar file. So copy that file and paste it in your Java runtime environments library. Okay, see, this is JRE, and go to the library and paste it over here. And now I will try. Of course, I will exit from this. Again I will open my command prompt and type and hit enter. Yes, build file is not exist, doesn't exist, and build failed. So if you see this message while you type and hit enter, you can think that your ant configuration is success, right? So we will see what is build.xml and why the build is failed here. Okay, so if you want to use any of the ant tasks, we should have one file called build.xml. We already discussed that every ant tasks is given in an XML file, right? So all the tasks will be saved in an XML file, and that XML file will be called as build.xml. So you can say build.xml is a file which contains the process or the definition for different ant tasks. So it did not find the build.xml file, that's why it got failed. We will see creating a sample build.xml file, and we will see how to do that, how to perform different ant tasks, right? Thank you. And this is the way how you get the ant into your system and configure ant in your system. Thank you.